we would like to introduce you various steps taken by our organization on this level. We are trying to introduce you with our indigenous therapies for managing the mental health of person. So I would like to request my colleague to kindly present his views through presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Samyak. Namaste to all. On your screen, the logo of Karuna organization. As you all know very well, international e-conference organized by Karuna Improving Mental Health, an initiative of the creative student of Dev Sanskruti Vishwavidyalaya. Now the initiation of our organization is a step towards addiction-free world. You all know very well the addiction is challenge in this COVID pandemic. Mostly teenagers or people who are going to education sectors or in different jobs, they prefer homework through internet or the media platforms. So nowadays, the addiction, drugs, alcohol, or other. In next slide, you see, are we slave of addiction? In previous, I said that there are different types of addiction in field of alcohol, drugs, as well as in previous one audience arts like pornography. All these are come under the field of addiction. In this next slide, you see a car which by the mud. This type of our behavior, our life become when we are addicted with any substance, either it is alcohol, drugs, or anything. You all know very well. Next, there are some questions who are addicted with various substance. So who has low self esteem, कमजोर आत्मबल वाले इस आदि होते हैं एडिक्शन के और मेनली द यूथ एंड चिल्ड्रन हु आर क्रिएटिव माइंड नाउअडेज दे आर बेसिकली और बहुत ही जल्दी वो प्रभावित हो जाते हैं इन चीजों से तीसरे कारण जो है द थर्ड रीजन इज द स्ट्रेस depression anxiety or the men who are mentally disturbed they are addicted. The fourth reason is akele udasin. These types of mainly the reasons due to which individual addicted. Now next slide, why someone addict. So due to pleasure, you all know very well, due to pleasure someone addict something substance which are very dangerous for our health, and mainly the student or children learn to abuse or learn to addict from their friend circle, from those whose parents are addicted, they learn from them. Now you see ऐसे मित्रों से सावधान. तो इन मित्रों से हम सावधान रहें और अगले हम आ रहे हैं कि नशे के दुष्प्रभाव. व्हाट आर द side effect of addiction? So what are the problems created through the addiction? According to WHO, we who declared the COVID-19 as a pandemic on the basis of on the research of WHO, it is very very severe across the world that 10,000 people across the world died due to addiction. It is very challenging for all those NGOs or those people who are regularly working for humanitarian. So this is a very challenging that across the world around 10,000 people died due to addiction. And due to addiction there are mainly 25 types of diseases are discovered. Around 40 lakh people are the patient of alcohol and different types of the substance people addict, and in animal they are now conscious or awareness like a human being. So when we drink or when we alcoholic, then we have no conscious. So we are just like an animal. Next slide. It is awareness, like a cobra, which insect through their poisons and human can die. So now the important thing is when person are addicted through these all types of substance, then what are we going to be to get free from the addiction? Now in India, as you all know, India is the mother of all religion, all culture, all therapies, because our rishis, our sages from Vedic cultures, they all gives whatever the situations, whatever the problems arise in future. Also, they give the solution of entire problems. So, from Vedas, our research team of Karuna Improving Mental Health conclude a few topics: how to get rid from the addiction और how to a person become de-addict from all the substances. तो हम किस प्रकार से इन जहरीली जो पदार्थ हैं, जो नशीले पदार्थ हैं, इनसे किस प्रकार हम छुटकारा पा सकते हैं, इसके लिए इंडिजिनस थेरेपीज है which are applicable for all over the world, not only in India. Now our first therapy is mantra therapy. As you see on the screen, मंत्र थेरेपी, मंत्र चिकित्सा जो हमारे यहाँ बहुत ही लोकप्रिय है और कहा जाता है कि मंत्र वह होता है जिससे हमारे मन को शांति मिलती है. The mantra who peace our mind. So in our mantra therapy, the first one is Gayatri mantra, which is visible on your screen, which intellect our mind to write us path so that we get rid from the all of the addictions. Now our next therapy is Yagya therapy, as on our screen. Respected Dr. Mary Ratner sir, who work on Homa therapy, because this is scientifically proved that Yagya is not only scriptures or not only rituals of Indians, but it is just scientifically proved. Yagya perform 12 characters, that is one effect on our mental level, to enhance our ability, to enhance our cognition power, to enhance the ability to think. And the other thing is to purify our atmosphere, because in our atmosphere there are so many gases are present, you know very well, and the effect of all the gases directly or indirectly affect our whole body, whole personality. So by performing a yagya through a significant or a definite substance, we get rid from these all types of addictions or bad habits. Now the next is yoga therapy. You all know very well about yoga. On 21st June, International Yoga Day, and due to our divine presence of Swami Ramdev, Yoga Rishi from India, and various yoga institutes celebrate this yoga day across the world, so that the human being across the world learn the way, the technique, because yoga is not only a exercise. Yoga is mentioned as the way of life, how to live a life spiritually, mentally, socially, or physically healthy. So to be healthy, we prefer yoga daily. As you on screen, it is mentioned daily yoga. And next is Swadhyaya therapy. Swadhyaya therapy is just a reading of book, and to include the knowledge, the ideas which are given in the book in your behavior, in your daily routine. As on screen, book of Bhagavad Gita, and also mentioned an engineer's interpretation. It is a book which is given by, you all know very well, the image of Lord Krishna and Arjun, and the Virat proves the conscious God, the powerful God behind Lord Krishna. So the Swadhyaya therapy is one and only way which enrich, inculcate, enhance your mind through the righteous path. There are so many ways to enhance your mind, to enhance your behavior, to inculcate the good qualities in your behavior, in your personality. So these are the basic concepts which I present front of you. And last one is green therapy. Green therapy basically a new therapy designed by our department of psychology. Under this tree talking therapy, talk with tree. You prefer these all therapies, these all indigenous therapies. And for more, you visit on our website www.talkmsc.online. So thank you to all of you. धन्यवाद.